Welcome. Today, we're setting up the ASUS TUF Gaming Wi-Fi 6 router, the TUF AX6000. Let's get started. First, unbox the router and place it in a central location. Connect the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait for it to boot up. Connect an Ethernet cable from your modem to the WAN port on the router. Connect your device to the router's default Wi-Fi network. You can find the details on a label on the router. Open a browser and go to http://router.asus.com or the router's IP address. Log in with the default username and password, admin/admin or admin/password. Use the quick setup wizard to configure your internet connection and Wi-Fi settings. Check for firmware updates to keep your router secure and up to date. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the credentials you set up. Verify that your devices are connected and your internet is working. And that's it. Your ASUS TUF Gaming Wi-Fi 6 router is now set up. For more help, visit ASUS support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.